Hi everyone, I'm Sergey and today I will tell you about Meteor. Meteor is awesome. Why is it awesome? We're about to find out. Uh, so basically what is it? The Meteor is basically a framework. What framework? Full stack framework. Um, it provides us a platform to develop modern applications faster than you ever thought. It comes with a lot of stuff. The front client-side framework, the database, and other packages. Uh, um, so it comes with Blaze and MongoDB as stock tools. Blaze is for client-side, and MongoDB is a database where we store all our data. And it comes with others like Bootstrap or something like that. Um, what is awesome about Meteor is that you can replace Blaze with Angular or React or another framework. I don't care. Also, integrate other databases will be difficult because it is always painful to integrate database in your project. Also, I haven't meant for a while the Meteor is fully JavaScript compatible. What I mean is that JavaScript is basically everywhere. Blaze is JavaScript, MongoDB is JavaScript, Meteor is fully JavaScript, React JavaScript, Angular JavaScript. You can build the whole app, web app, only using JavaScript, and it's freaking awesome. Um, so, what is Meteor? It provides client-server integration, no callbacks hell, automatism. It means that you don't need to refresh your page with F5 button or something else, because everything is reactive and everything is updates automatically, sort of automatically. So Meteor provides us MongoDB on server side. It means that everything stored is MongoDB, as I said. On client side, it's mini-mongo to provide our compatibility with MongoDB on server side, and it's all synchronized. What means that every change on client side will appear on server side and on other client sides that connected to the server, basically. So some people compare Meteor to Angular or other frameworks, mostly Angular, because of its innovations, because it encapsulates some redundant code and provides our custom tools in their simpler way. Also, Angular and Meteor both provides us great single page development. So if you want to install Meteor, you can simply install it from command line or terminal, dependent for what you're using. For example, if you use Linux, you run terminal and one command as shown on the slide. But for Windows, things are more complicated. Firstly, you must install Chocolatey. Chocolatey provides us an ability to install Meteor. So, and also Meteor installation takes a while on Windows. I don't know why, but the extraction of files takes just too long. So what else is awesome about Meteor is it gives us ability to create reactive apps or real-time apps. So as I said, all updates on client appear on server and appear on client, and also um, all changes are computed by server and got rid of issues and problems that they can cause. So as you can see, it's a Meteor data platform, Meteor full stack reactivity. Here is shown that every client have mini Mongo database that duplicate our Mongo database, and also it's all sync up. Mini Mongo connects to the server connects to the MongoDB, mini MongoDB connects to the MongoDB. Everything connected, nothing is forgotten. So it can cause some issues because basically client can write or delete data exactly in our database. So that can be an issue, but also you can just keep in mind that the client can do that, and you can't give the client all those responsibilities and just push your data into database in the whole database. You must use something built in Meteor, like publish and subscribe, that provides relationships between server and client, basically. So what does it mean? Publish method of Meteor is basically provides data for client. That means that you send specific data to the client, and client can get to the whole database. So you can say that Meteor have great size too. So if client want to have the data, it must be subscribed for the publishing. So if client isn't subscribed, it will be he will not get the data. Also, for the security, you can use such method as is client is server. The Meteor provides that methods, Boolean methods to differ client and server, because basically when you build your app on Meteor, you can tell what is a client and server, because but also on initial Meteor is creation of app creates directories client and servers. So that's the way how you differ client and server, but also they are just JavaScript files, so you can my client in server directory and server in client directory. So now I show you a little demo. First of all, I'd like to show you how works our reactivity. So we add our task to to-do list no matter what, but just add it and it appears on our unlogged in view. So we also click something to delete, make it private or something, just add another thing, and it immediately appears on the other client. As you can see, it's as amazing as you see. So yeah, this is our main script of server. We can go and just jump into our task.js, which is our application skeleton or something, our self application, name as you wish. Just it have published, no matter what, it's error. Come on. As you can see, it's a bunch of methods that get that data from MongoDB, as data to MongoDB, and provides all the logic of our page. Also, if you look at client side, we render it with our React. So basically, the Meteor startup function is initial function. Without that, we can't start up our application. Basically, also we import our app file to differ our models. So here is the whole brain of our application, the whole mind, whole soul, whole body, whole subscribe. Yeah, it's client, it's subscribe, it has subscription. So basically, here's our HTML file. We just have a div where we put our data, our header, our list, our input, our checkbox. Yeah, I think it's checkbox. So that's pretty much all that I would like to tell you. Here's also a bunch of useful links, and it's all.